Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Actually, my friend Dan inspired me to create this all-in-one chicken and vegetable dish in my bamboo steamer. Dan has a gastroesophageal reflux disorder, and he prefers foods that are steamed over other types of cooking methods because of his medical condition. Dan has a steamer, and he asked me to help him to create an entire meal in a steamer with chicken and vegetables. So I create this dish as an idea for Dan to try. First, I'm going to line the bamboo steamer with parchment paper to prevent food from sticking to the bamboo rack, which would make cleaning challenging. I first fold the parchment paper into a small wedge, and then I measure the approximate length of the radius of the bamboo steamer rack and trim the parchment paper slightly larger than the size of the lid. So I first placed some cooked rice in the middle of the steamer. The rice was left over from a previous meal. Because of advanced prepping, I have many different vegetables to choose from. The first vegetable that I decided to add to the steamer is some Napa cabbage. I think they will work out very well. Next, I found some purple cabbage in my advanced prep. I know they will steam well also. Also, I choose them because I have some of them in excess. Next, I add some broccoli, which I definitely need to use them up. Therefore, broccoli became the main vegetable. Next, I found some white button mushroom, which is also near the end of the prep period and ready to be used up. And because of advanced prepping, I have already incorporated 4 different kinds of vegetable into this dish. Next comes to the meat, and I decided to use some chicken. Actually, I put 8 ounces of chicken to be thawed as soon as I entered the kitchen 10 minutes ago, and now they are ready. I coat the chicken with my basic seasoning mix as well as some cornstarch. This will make the chicken more flavorful and tender after being steamed. I put the chicken over the rice next to the mushroom. I use about 4 ounces of chicken, mainly as a condiment. However, the dish's primary focus is the vegetable, but the chicken will make the dish to have a more complex flavor and texture. Last but not the least, I add some tofu that I prepped earlier for another dish. This was a good time for me to use them up. Besides, my wife loves tofu. Finally, I sprinkle some of my basic seasoning mix over the ingredients. To top up the dish, I also add some light soy sauce. I have already heated some water in my Cucina 14-inch stainless steel wok to boiling. I place the steamer in the wok and cover the steamer with its lid. 10 minutes later, I check on the progress of the steaming. First and foremost, I want to make sure that the chicken is properly cooked. It looks like it will take another 5 minutes. So I keep the heat low just to maintain a gentle simmering, which will provide enough steam to cook the food. The water does not need to be full boiled. Toward the final 5 minutes of steaming, I crack 2 eggs directly over the food ingredient to poach the eggs. This makes the meal complete with 4 different vegetables, chicken breast, eggs, and rice. The eggs definitely add a very nice touch to the dish from both the flavor standpoint as well as the nutritional standpoint. 5 minutes later, the egg is very nicely poached. I add the egg later because I would like the eggs to have soft yolks. This dish takes about 12 minutes to assemble because all the ingredients are available due to advanced prepping. Now, it is a lot of fun to cook this dish because I also see a lot of possibilities how I would do it in the future. And some of the choices are out of taste preferences, whereas some other choice actually out of necessity, as you have seen in this example. So the dish is done. Before I put it on the table, I garnish it with some dark soy sauce as well as with some scallions. What is the verdict of this dish? First of all, I really enjoyed the rice, with the flavor created by the fluids generated from the food ingredients during steaming. Secondly, the chicken was very flavorful and the texture was smooth and tender. The vegetable also have great natural flavor because it enhanced by the basic seasoning mix. Between two of us, my wife and I completely finished the dish with some help from our kitties. That definitely is a very good sign. Okay, now I need to see whether Don is going to like it or not. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.